Today we are going to learn about AVL tree. So AVL tree is also called as self self balancing tree. This is also a binary search tree in which the balance factor is either 0, 1 or minus 1. So let's see the concept of balance factor. So balance factor is nothing but height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. So a tree can be called as AVL tree in which balance factor of each node is either 0, 1 or minus 1. If balance factor is other than these figures, then it is not an AVL tree. It is called as self balancing tree. Like consider this is a tree A, B and C. This is called as a binary tree. In this, sorry. So let's change the mode. So now let's consider a binary tree like A, B and C. So here now we will see how to calculate balance factor. So the balance factor of B is equal to 0. Why it is equal to 0? Because it has no left subtree and no right subtree. So height of left subtree 0 minus height of right subtree 0. Again balance factor of C is equal to 0. Now the balance factor of A is equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So this is an AVL tree because all nodes have balance factor 0. So let's see another example. Like suppose this is a tree A, root node, left child B, its left child C, and again A has a right child D. So now we will calculate balance factor of each node. So as usual the balance factor of C is equal to 0. Balance factor of B is equal to height of left subtree 1 minus height of right subtree 0, that is equal to 0. See here, this one 1 minus 0, 1 and this is 0, 1 minus 0, balance factor of B is equal to 0. Balance factor of D is again is equal to 0 and now balance factor of A. So here balance factor of A, height of the left subtree is 2, level 1, level 2. So 2 minus height of right subtree, that is equal to 1. So balance factor of A is equal to 1. So A balance factor 1, B 0. There is one mistake done by me. 1 minus 0, 1. Balance factor of D 0. So all nodes have balance factor either 0, 1 or minus 1. Therefore this is also an AVL tree. Now let's see another example. So consider this is a tree, root node A, left child B, again its left child C. This tree is also called as left skewed tree because each node has only left child. Again calculate the balance factor of each node now. The balance factor of C is equal to 0 because it has no left and right child. Balance factor of B is equal to height of left subtree 1 minus height of right subtree, see here 1 and 0, that is equal to 1. Now balance factor of A is equal to height of left subtree level 1, level 2, that is 2, right subtree 0. So what is your opinion? Is this tree is an AVL tree? Obviously not, because the balance factor of A is 2 and our rule is balance factor must be 0, 1 and minus 1. So this is non-AVL tree. Let's calculate. Let's find out. I will give you one assignment. You just find out whether balance factor of each node and whether the given tree is AVL tree or it is a non-AVL tree, and also mention the reason why that tree is AVL and why that tree is non-AVL. So our assignment is, so this is your assignment. Suppose A, B, C, D, E and F. For this binary tree, calculate balance factor of each node first and then find out whether the given tree is AVL tree or non-AVL tree. These are the basic terms. In AVL tree, the balance factor of each node is either 0, 1 or minus 1. Balance factor is nothing but height of left subtree minus height of the right subtree. Thank you.